Question 1, write 200,017 in figures. So 200,000, put a comma, and 17. The comma isn't really necessary, but it sort of helps me when writing this. 200,017. Okay.
Okay, for question 2, insert one pair of brackets. It says one pair of brackets to make this calculation correct. Okay, so in order to make it 9, it would be 7 minus 2 plus 4. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. So 7 minus 5 minus 3, which is 2, plus 4 is 9. Yep.
3, solve the equation. So 6 equals to 5x and x equals to 6 over 5. 6 over 5. What's 6 over 5? Which would be 1.2.
Okay, for question 4. The diagram shows a triangle drawn between a pair of parallel lines. Show the value of x and the value of y. So x is on the other side of a parallel line, where the line that connects x and 120 is a straight line. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60. Right? 80 minus 20, yeah, 60. And then y. We get this and this. So here is 60. Here is 40. So that means y is 180 minus 40 minus 60, which is 80. Okay.
Increase 42 by 16%. So they said increase. So 42 multiply 1.16, which is 48.72.
Okay.
Question 7. Calculate the value of h. The area of the triangle is 27. 6 multiply h is 27. H is 27 over 6, which is 4.5. Yeah.
No.
Oh wait, no. This is the area of a square. This is the area of square. H is 4.8, 4.5. Then I need to multiply 2 again, which is 9.
Question 8. Calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 40 sides. So 360 divide 40 is equal to the exterior angle, which is 9. So 180 minus 9 equals to 171. Okay.
Solve these simultaneous equations. So we are going to use elimination. This is 1, this is 2. So then 1 plus 2 is 2x. Oh wait, make that 5x. 5x plus, wait, no, 5x equals 2. 15, so x is 3. Then we'll pick equation from equation 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus y is 7, y is 1. Then we can see, so 3 times 3, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. And then this one is basically already proven.
Okay, my turn. Okay, for question 10, without using a calculator, work out 5 6 divide 1 1/3. So it's 5 6 times. Oh, now we're doing divide. 1/3, which is equal to 5 6 times 3 4. And then we can cancel these out. Wait, divide 3. Which is equal to 5/8. And that's the simplest.
Simplify. So become 2 times 5 is 10, and then x squared times x5 is x7.
Question 12. For question 12, Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio of Alex to Chris is 7:3. Alex received 20 more sweets than Chris. Work out the number of sweets Chris receives. Okay, so first we need to find the multiplier for the ratio to become the actual. So here is 4. 4 times the multiplier, which is k, equal to 20. K equals to 5, which is 20 divided 4. 3 times 5 equals to 15. So the number of sweets Chris received is 3 times 5 is 15. Okay.
13. Calculate the area of the rectangle. We've got the side of a rectangle, but we've also got the diagonal of the rectangle, which is 13. So we know the rectangle will look something like this, and one of the sides is like 12, and this diagonal is 13. So by using the Pythagorean theorem, we can calculate the height if 12 was the width. So 12. So to do this, x is 13 squared minus 12 squared. So here is 5 exactly, and 5 times 12 is 60.
Okay, for question 14, work out 3 times 10 to the power of 199 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 201. So what we can do here is 0.3 times 10 to the power of 200 plus 20 times 10 to the power of 200, which is equal to 20.3 times 10 to the power of 200. But then they want in standard form, so it'd be equal to 2.03 times 10 to the power of 189. Okay.
Calculate the
no, mouse. It was 201. Okay.
calculate the area of this sector of a circle. So x is the area. X over pi r squared, where r is 7.5, pi r squared equals to 60 over 360, which is the angle. And x is 60 over 360. Multiply 7.5 squared pi, and you can round it. 29, which equals to 29.45.
Okay. For question 16, the selling price of a shirt is 26.5. This includes a tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. So, x times 1.06 equals to 26.5. X equals to 26.5 divide 1.06, which is 26.5 times 1.06, which is 25.
Question 17. Find the acceleration between 20 and 40
It's 17
seconds.
17.
I know. Doesn't matter though. Still the same thing. So it has a height 20 to 40. So this is 20. This is 2 and 20. 2 over 20 is 1/10.1. Next, find the total distance traveled, which is this area of this area over here in color and pencil. Total distance traveled. So first we'll split it into two categories. Three actually. This is A1, A2, A3. A3 is basically 20 based on mental math. Half times 2, which is 1 times 20, which is 20. So yeah. So A3 is 20. I'm gonna do all of this with mental math. And then A1 is applying to the same logic as A3. It is 10. And A2 is mental math. 30 times 2, which is 60. So epsilon A, which is the total of A, is using mental math again. We can find this as 90.
Question
Using
8.
big brain math.
Yeah.
Big
Okay,
brain.
question 18. The sides of an isosceles triangle. Okay, that's something important. The isosceles triangle are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. One side has a length of 8.2 and another has a length of 9.4. Find the largest possible value of the perimeter of this triangle. So it's isosceles. So it's 8.2 plus 2, 9.4. But then they also said correct to the nearest millimeter, which is 0.1 centimeters. So that would be 8.25, which is 8.249 rounded, plus 2, 9.45, which is 9.49 rounded, which is equal to 8.25 plus 2, 9.45, 27.15. Okay.
Calculate the value of x. By using the sine law, we can find that sine x will eventually be 8 multiplied sine 100 over 9. And then by using arc sine, we can find that x is 8 multiplied sine 100 over 9. And then you can arc sine this. Yoink. Oh, that's my favorite. 8 multiplied sine 100 over 9. Arc sine 61.09. Okay, done. B. Calculate the area of the triangle. Excuse me. Area of the triangle. And the answer of this triangle is... can you play the drum roll? Wait, hold on. Wait. 100. 180 minus answer. So, wait, Johnny, I'll tell you what the 15.901. Play the drum roll. I have to give it to you. You suck at playing the drum roll. But anyways, 18.91. 8 times 9. So, half 8 times 9 times sine 18.91, which is half 8 half times 8 times 9 times sine 11.67.
Okay. Question 20. A model of a statue has a height of 4 centimeters. The volume of the model is 12 centimeter cube. The volume of the actual statue is
What's that?
actual statue is 40,500 cm cube. Calculate the height of the statue. Okay, so let's see. Height h over 4 equals to 4,500 over 12, because it's big over small, to the power of 1/3. So h equals to 40500 over 12 to the power of 1/3 times 4, which is 40500 divided 12 to the power of 1/3 times 4. That would give us 60. Okay.
21a differentiate. 6 plus 4x minus x squared. That would be negative 2x plus 4. Negative 2x plus 4. Next, we find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph y. Y equals to 6 plus 4x minus x squared. Y is 4.
No, not necessarily.
Pretty sure it is.
So dy dx equals to 0.
Ooh, you're right. Y. Oh wait, no, that doesn't work. Negative 2x plus 4 equals to 0. That is funny.
Okay. And then 2x equals to?
2x equals to 4. X is 2. Okay, that's what's 4. And then y equals to. Wait, I don't know what y is.
Yeah, you can find it by replacing it into the equation.
Negative 2. 2.
No,
Plus
not this
4.
one. It's this equation.
Isn't that the same thing?
No.
Negative 2 times 2.
No.
Oh wait, no, this is the wrong equation. Y equals to 6 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 squared. 6 plus 8 minus 4, which is 10. Y is 10.
Yep. Okay, for question 22, the diagram shows question 22a. Find AB. Okay, that's pretty obvious. It's negative a plus b. For question 22b, find MC. So, which is equal to MA plus AC. So, first we find MA is equal to half AB, which is half negative AB, no, BAB, which is half negative AB, which is half A minus half B. So AC equals to, okay, so this is 2 to 3 since it's 5 minus 6. So AC is 3 half A. So that would be equal to half A times half plus 3 half plus B times negative half, which is 2a minus half b. 2a minus half. Okay.
Question 23. Write a single fraction in its simplest form. So 2 times x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 over, wait, actually, if I'll break the brackets, it becomes 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, then which equals to 2x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1, which equals to 2x minus 2x, so and then 2 plus 1. 3 over x plus 1.
Okay, for question 24. A line from the point 2, 3 is perpendicular to the line y equals to 1/3 x plus 1. The two lines meet at the point P. Find coordinates of P. So first we find the line equation for the perpendicular line. Y equals to negative 3x plus c and then they meet at 2, 3, so y is equal to 3 equals to negative 3 times 2 plus c. C equals to 3 plus 6, which is 9. So y equals to negative 3x plus 9. So they want the two lines meet at the point P. So 1/3 x negative 3x plus 9 equals to 1/3 x plus 1. So I move everything to the left. Negative 10/3 x plus 8 equals to 0. 10/3 x equals to 8. X equals to 8 times 2, which is 2.4. And then for y, we'll just replace it into this equation so that it's easier instead of using 1/3. So y equals to negative 3 2.4s plus 9, which is negative 3 2.4 plus 9, 1.8. Okay.
Question 25. Solve the equation. Tangent. Okay, solve the equation. So x is arctangent to, which is 63.43, or anything in between 60 and 0. So plus 180, and so it's 63.43 or 243.43. Okay, and both these numbers are in between 0 and 360.
Okay. For question 26, simplify ux minus 2u minus x plus 2 over u squared minus 1. So that would be equal to over u plus 1, u minus 1. Okay, so the top part is x u minus 1 plus 2 minus u, no, 1 minus u, which is equal to x u minus 1 minus 2 u minus 1 over u plus 1 u minus 1, which is equal to x minus 2 times u minus 1 over u plus 1 and u minus 1. Then we cancel these out, which is equal to x minus 2 over u plus 1. X minus 2 over u plus 1.